press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello children, how are you? I hope that all are doing good. So today I am here with you with the new lesson to teach you, is it? So here the name of the lesson is Who I Am. So tell me here, okay, so you just, if I ask the question here, then you can answer to yourself, okay? Otherwise you can use your comment box, okay? So here, who I am. So who I am? So who I am? So it's depend upon my interest, my intelligence, my creativity, my talent, okay, which area I just like it and what is my profession, what's my name, where I am living, what's my hobbies, okay. So these are things, it's called personality, okay. So that is my personality. So you know, each and every child and every person, they have a different personalities. So you know, there is no similar in their taste, in their interest, in their activities, in their hobbies. So each and every children are different, okay. So they are different each other and they are came from a different background, their environment is different. So that when the overall thing we call them as a personality, that's the personality, okay. That's the human personality or a man personality. And you know, you people also, or children like you, so you all also have a different personality. You have a different dreams, you have a different opinions, you have a different interest, okay. Then you have a different activities, hobbies. So that it's called as a personality. So there the question arises, who I am, okay. So here in this lesson there are several other children. So they are saying about their hobbies, their interests, their dream, okay. So what they wanted to become in the future when they become old, when they become grown up, okay. So what they wanted to work, all the things they wanted to share here in this lesson, that the lesson is called Who I Am. So here also that this lesson, it gives a interesting opinions to you. So you will also ask yourself question, who I am. So there you take a pen and a paper or a notebook, there you start writing your interest, your hobbies and what you wanted to become, okay. So there, and which kind of hobbies you want. So then if you like any activities or any like music, dancing, painting, drawing, so you can write those things, that's the interest, okay. So that leads to unique quality. So those are called, it's a unique quality of a child, okay. So here I just ask you the question, who are you? So there you just write and you write yourself that who I am. Then there you write what you are. Like in a complete sentence you write, so what is your interest, which place you are belong. So you like what, okay, what the things you are liking, even in food, even in playing the games, okay. So everything, each and everything, detailed thing about yourself you can write in your notebook, okay. So it's about it's your writing, okay. So don't look here in the textbook, okay. Here there are some children, they are introduced themselves here. So don't see here, just write yourself what you are, what's your interest, okay, what's your hobbies, what's your activities, what your family likes and what you dislikes, okay. So everything you just write down, and what you wanted to become, who are the motivational person, who are the influencer person to you, who are the inspirer to you. So everything, each and every detail you just write by yourself, okay. So this is the thing I wanted to tell here in the beginning of the lesson, okay. So let's discuss about the lesson. What the children here, they are introducing about themselves. Not only introducing, they are telling their interests, their hobbies, okay, and what they wanted to become in the future. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, so here, before you read, in this lesson, we'll look at what we all like and how each of us is different. We are all interesting people in different ways, and we are all good at different things. Okay, so in this lesson, let's see here what it is telling here. In this lesson, we'll look at what we are like. Okay, so what we like, we just look here. Okay, not here the people who are telling about themselves, they are telling their like. Okay, then how each of us is different. You know, each and every person, their taste, their interests, their likes and dislikes are different. It's not similar, it's not same at all. Okay, we are all interesting people in different ways. You know, we all are different. You know, by physically we are different, and by our creative and our all the hobbies and interests and likes and dislikes, that is also different. Okay, so that's not same here. Then, and we are all good at different things. You know, each and every person is a different, they have a good at different things. You know, Sachin Tendulkar, a famous cricketer, so he had a good skill in a cricket, so he made his dream in the field of cricket. Okay, so he became one of the best cricketer in the world. So then you can take Maria Sharapova. She is one of a tennis player. She is also one of a beautiful player and best player in the world, a tennis player in the world. Okay, and you can take some film actor and actress. So their talent in their acting. Okay, so their talent, each and every person is a different. Okay, their way, so their talent, they are showing their talent. And you can take the comedian also. So each and every can't do the comedy. Okay, they have the person, they have the particular skill. So then only it's possible, and that interest also in that. Okay, so like this. So my interest is here. I like to teach to you people. So that's why I am here. If someone say me that you just take all the instruments which is using for an operation and you go and operate a patient, so I can do it? No, that's not my profession, and I am not interested in that profession. Okay, so if someone say that you just go and just handle the city, okay, handle city, and you become a politician or else a police. So no, I can't, because I don't like that. Is it? I don't like, and that's not my profession. So I am not liking that. So my profession is my teaching. I love to teach you. Okay, so here my talent in this field, so I have to outlet my talent here. So like this way, you people also have a different talent. Okay, different talent and different interest. The main thing is you don't do anything about the talent. So what you like and what you dislike, you just write down, and what you wanted to become. Just think yourself and write. Okay, so then you get your goals. Okay, your goals, your achievement. Okay, try to write in your own sentence. Don't take the help of your sisters or brothers and parents. Just write down yourself, understand yourself. Okay, so this is. Then, as you read this, think about what you are like and what you enjoying it. So when you are reading this, you get to know about the people and also yourself, that what you are liking, and when you are doing that thing what you like, so you are enjoying. Is it? Suppose if you like, I just wanted to tell you the example here. Suppose you are interested in a painting. Okay, so you wanted to draw some pictures. So you wanted to become a good painter. So what you will do? So you are ready to draw any pictures. So you are indulge yourself, means you are 100%, you give your 100% in that. Okay, even some of the subjects also. If you like mathematics, you try to solve problems if Like any difficulties, any difficult problem it is, you are ready to solve it. If you like any languages like English, then Kannada, or any other language like Hindi or any other languages, so what you will do? You are eagerly listen the lessons and stories, and you create the stories of your own. Okay, so when you do that, you enjoy yourself. And if you take any other subject like social and even the science also, so you start experimenting. Okay, so then you think about the galaxies and the universe. Okay, you ask the questions more and more, okay, to the parents, to the teachers. Okay, so there it means you are having your interest in that, and when you do that, you enjoy yourself. Okay, so when you are doing that activities or something else, so you feel enjoying, is it? So that is our likes. Okay, so this is okay. Let's see here lesson. Who I am. Part first, many voices. So whose voices? Here there are some of the children, they are introducing about themselves. Okay, so first is Radha. Okay, so first Radha, she is telling about herself. My favorite activity is climbing trees. So what is her favorite activity? Climbing trees. Just outside our house there is a mango tree which I love to go up. Okay, so here she wanted to tell us she likes to climb tree, and where she is living there was a mango tree, and she likes to climb that mango tree. Its branches spread out, so it is simple to climb up the tree, and I can sit comfortably in the fork of two branches. So why she likes this tree? Because the branches, it was spread very broad. Okay, so that's why she likes to climb the tree easily, because it's simple, because the branches spread vast. So there she sat and she loved to sit there. Okay, this is, and then my mother tells me it is not sensible for girls to climb trees. So always her mother used to say here that don't climb the trees. For a girls, this is not suitable for the girls to climb trees. It is very sensible. You know, when you compare your physique to the boys and the girls, it's different. Okay, the girls should not be very tougher by the physique. But actually that's not. But the old people, they believe that, so climbing trees and being a sports person, so that should not a job of a girls. Okay, so who does this? So only the boys they are doing. So because of that reason, her mother says that, so don't climb the tree because you are a girl, so don't climb that. Okay, so she said it. But one afternoon she climbed up too. But one day her mother only, she climbed the tree. So always she used to say don't climb the tree, so you are a girl. Okay, so one day she decided and she climbed the tree, the mother of Radha. Then, and both of us sat there talking and eating raw mangoes. See what a interesting here. So what they done? So both the daughter and the mother, they both used to climb the tree, and there they sat whole day and they are eaten raw mangoes. Okay, raw mangoes. It's not ripe mango, it's a raw mangoes. Okay, so you know, the taste is very sour, so it is very interesting to taste it, is it? So there they used to sit on the mango tree. When I am high up in the tree, I feel like I can rule the world. So when this Radha, she is on the mango tree, okay, so she feels herself like she wanted to rule this world. Okay, ruling. So ruling means how the kings and the queens, they were ruled. Like that, she wanted to rule. Okay, so she feeling like that because she is in a top. Okay, she is on the mango tree. So when she is on the high, she feels herself that she can rule the world. Okay, so this is the voice of Radha. This is the like and dislikes of Radha. Okay, so this is, and next to move to the next child here, that is Nasir. Okay, so who is the next child here? Nasir. So here Nasir says, when I grow up, I want to become a seed collector. We have cotton fields in our village, and every year my father spends a lot of money on buying new seeds to grow our cotton plants. So now here Nasir says, when he become grown up, okay, when he completes his studies, when everything is over, then he just decided for a job. So there he decided that he wanted to become a collector, seed collector. Okay, what is the seed collector? A person who collects the seed for a plants, okay, for a farming. So why he says like this? Let's see here. We have cotton fields. So Nasir says he had a cotton fields. Okay, he had means his father had a cotton fields, which means the agriculture farming. Okay, then in our village, okay, where he is living in a village, so he had a cotton fields. Every year my father spends a lot of money on buying new seeds to grow our cotton plants. So every year his father, he has to spend a lot of money on buying the cotton seed, okay, because it costs more. So that's why they used to spend a lot of money to buy the cotton seeds, okay. So he understood it. So he understood the father position, that how he feel difficult, okay, how he feel difficult to buying the cotton seeds. So he decided, so when he become grown up, so he wanted to become a seed collector, okay. Then my grandfather told me that many years ago. So now he is saying his grandfather what he has suggested him. So what he suggested him, his grandfather, that many years ago, okay, many years ago, he could collect the seeds from his own plants, which could be sown to grow new plants during the next year. So his grandfather told to the Nasir when he was working in his farm, the grandfather who was working in the farm, so he collect the seeds, okay, he collect the seed. How he is collect the seeds? So when he was in his own plants, okay, when those seeds converted into plants, so he could collect the seeds from the plants, okay, then which could be sown to grow new plants during the next year. So they preserve the seeds, okay, the seeds how he is collecting, his grandfather. So when he was sow the seeds for a cotton plants, so they get some of the seeds from the plants, and his grandfather, he preserved that seeds for the next year, okay, and it is helpful for the new cotton plants. Like this way they were preserving the cotton seeds. But nowadays it's not happening, okay. So he understood it. He compares that grandfather's time and his father's time, okay. Now, but today that doesn't work, so we have to spend money to buy new seeds every single year. But nowadays there are so many things are trends, okay, so many things were changed. So that things were not happening. It is better for them to purchase a cotton seeds, okay, with the huge amount. Then I want to find out why that is so. So why? So he he got a question here, okay, he asked the question to himself and he got the question. So what is that? So what is the question here? That why this is happening? So why the cotton seeds, the cost is very high, okay, why we need to spend more amount on the cotton seeds? So this question, it arises in his mind. So he got a doubt here, okay. So who got that? Nasir got it. And now I want to learn how to preserve seeds so that we can use them again and not spend money every year. So he wanted to learn how to preserve the seeds like his grandfather. So that's why if he understood and he can learn it how to preserve it, so it is very easy to grow the cotton plants for the next year, but they can't use to spend lot of money on the cotton seeds, okay. So he decided he wanted to become a seed collector, okay, that's clear. I think you people have understood this, okay, like Radha and Nasir, what they have telling their opinions, different opinions about their life, okay. So let's see the next, Rohit. So who is the next person here? Who is the next here? That is Rohit. Let's see who is Rohit. If I had a huge amount of money, I would travel and travel. Okay, so now the Rohit, he had a dream. So what he had a dream? If he had a huge amount, okay, so if he had a lot of money with him, so he just, what he do? He just traveling and travel continuously. Okay, I want to see the mountains of New Zealand. So if he does this in his future, so he just go for a New Zealand to see the mountains. Okay, the mountains which is situated in the New Zealand. So he wanted to look there. He wanted to go and see that, because they looked beautiful in the magazine picture. Because he wanted to go to the New Zealand? Because when he was look into the magazine picture, it's looked very beautiful. So he decided, when he had a huge amount, so he will travel and travel. Okay, then I wish I could sail down the Amazon River in South America on a raft. Okay, so again he wished something. So what he wishing? So he could go to the America. Okay, he would go to America, South America, where there is a Amazon River, and there what he do there? So he just raft. Okay, what is that raft? River rafting. Okay, it is a kind of a game. Okay, so his dream is, so he just go to the South America also. So on the Amazon River, he just do the rafting. Okay, then I want to live on beaches of Lakshadweep and dive down to see coral. See, so he had another wish. If he had a huge amount, he could go to the Lakshadweep and he could see the beaches there. Okay, then he wanted to live on the beaches. Okay, and there he wanted to dive down into the water, and there he used to see the coral. Okay, so what is this dive down? Diving means it's swimming underwater. So there he used to see the corals. Okay, then suppose I should go to the Konark temple in Orissa, or the old city in Beijing in China, and the pyramids in Egypt too. So again he says his dreaming is, when he travel around the world, so he go wherever he goes there, so he goes New Zealand, then South America, and he wanted to go to the Konark temple which is in Orissa, and then the Beijing old city. Okay, this old city which is situated in Beijing, which is in China. Okay, then and he wanted to go to Egypt too. Okay, Egypt to see the pyramids. So who doesn't like these pyramids? Okay, so everybody likes it. If we go and look in reality, so how beautiful it is. Okay, so he is also having this his goal, means his dream to see this kind of monuments. But what I actually enjoy is seeing nature more than the old buildings. But at last he says, he adds some other thing in his like. What he says? He just enjoyed to watch the nature rather than to look the old buildings, means monuments. Okay, he just wanted to enjoy the nature, like diving, then rafting. Okay, and he just wanted to look into the nature. He loved it more than the looking the old cities, old monuments. Okay, so this is about the Rohit. Okay, so next let's see about the Sarabjit. Okay, so who is the next? So the next is Sarabjit. So what he says, this Sarabjit, what makes me very angry is when people don't believe me when I am telling the truth. So Sarabjit, he says his anger is how the people behave towards him. So he says that. So he begins his line like this. So what makes me very angry? So he gets angry because of something. So what is that? Is when people don't believe. When people don't believe on him, he gets angered. Okay. Then when I am telling the truth, even that I am telling truth also, the people are not believing. So that's why I am getting very angered on the people. So he says like this. For example, he says so who is not believing? So what are the reasons are? If I tell my teacher that I couldn't do my homework because Ravi borrowed my book and forgot to return it. If I say so here Sarabjit says that his incidents, okay, his incidents. So when he was in his class, he says to his teacher, why, if the teacher asks him, so why he has not did his homework, okay. So then he says the reason, because Ravi, his classmate, he has borrowed his book, so the next day he has not written it, so that's why I have not completed my homework, okay. So he says the truth here. But what happened? Borrow and forgot to return it, or I tell my parents, and also he says about his parents, or I tell my parents that it wasn't me but my little brother who started the fight. He says that his parents also not believing him, okay. So my brother is the first one who started the fight, not me. So when I tell this truth also, my parents are not believing, and also the teacher is also not believing, okay. Then, or if I tell my teacher that I really did studied for the test, even if I have got bad marks. If he says to his teacher that I studied hard, but then also I got a bad marks, so then also my teacher is not believing that I had did hard work, okay, I had studied for the tests or exam. They all look at me as if they think I am telling lies. So all of them, like parents and teachers, they are looking at Sarabjit that he is telling lie, but actually he is telling truth, okay. Then the look on their faces really angers me. So when these people, parents and teacher, when they look into the Sarabjit, so that faces makes him very angered, okay. Then sometimes I have to look down at my shoes and count to 10 so that I do not show that I am angry. So sometimes he used to do something because he need to control his anger. He just looked down to the shoes and then he started counts, okay. So counting and count to 10 so that I do not show that I am in angry. So why he just looked down? That because he doesn't want to show his anger to the parents and to the teachers, so he looks down and then he start counting, okay. So like this way the Sarabjit is telling his dislikes, okay, dislikes that he always in anger, okay. He shows his what is the reason to show his anger, because when he is telling truth and the people are not believing, so there he feels anger, okay. So this is, and the next is Dolma. So Dolma, she says about her dream. So the next girl, so we will see here. So what she says, let's see here. When I grow up, now Dolma says, when I grow up, I am going to be the Prime Minister of India. See, when she was become grown up, so there she wanted to become a Prime Minister of India, okay. She had her dream. People always laugh when I say that, but I am sure that I will do it. So whenever she says to the people, to the parents and to the family and to her friends, so they used to laugh at her. But still he had an ambition that she will become a Prime Minister of India. Everyone in my class asks me what to do when they have a problem. Why she is believing herself she will become a Prime Minister of India? Because everyone in her class, whenever they have a problem, so they come to the Dolma and they ask the solution for that problem. Okay, then, and my teacher always trusts me when something needs to be done in the school. Even the teacher also, she trusts herself. She trusts on her that whenever it's something, any work is going on, she believes her and she given that work, okay. And now the Dolma, she feels it, she can do it. She had a deserving capabilities to solve the problems of anyone, okay. Then, I want to make things better for everyone. So she decided I want to make things better. She is having a dream that she makes her life good for the people. She makes life better for the people. She had her dream. So no person should not get any problem in their life. Okay, then I want us to have a good hospitals and roads and schools. Okay, she is dreaming that when she will become a prime minister of India, or if she will, yeah, if she will not also, she had her dream to build the hospitals and the roads and also the schools for children and the people. I want to make sure that there are many good scientists in India who will invent cures for diseases and send a spaceship to Mars. See, what a lovely dream she had. Okay, she knows it that in India there are so many scientists. They wanted to cure the diseases. Means they are working on to cure the rare diseases. Okay, that is very dangerous diseases. They are working on that, and even some of the spaceship, means the scientists, they are working for to send a spaceship to Mars. Okay, so she wanted to make our country developed, and she wanted to make our country and our country should be get a fame in the world. She is having that dream, that kind of a dream. Okay, so this is, and the last is Peter. Okay, Peter, what he says about himself, let's look here. My favorite day is the second day of every month. Okay, here they have not Peter, he is not telling his whole thing. Okay, he says that, so what he likes and what the thing which makes him happy. Okay, so let's see here. My favorite day is the second day of the every month. So one of his favorite day, it was a Sunday, second Sunday of every month. Why it is so? On this day, our whole family always goes to the cinema hall to see a film. So on this day, his family, they used to go to the theater, to the cinema hall to watch the movie. My father gets the tickets in advance, and all of us, my grandmother, my parents, my two brothers and I. So his father, he used to get the tickets earlier in advance, and they are used to go there. So who is in his family? His grandparent, then his grandmother, then his parents, and the two brothers and he. So all of them, they will together, they are going to the excuse me. So with together they go to the theater to watch the movie there. Take the bus there. In the interval, my father buys us peanuts, and I love to sit in the darkness of the hall eating and watching the film. Okay, so here he used to say, in between the interval, his father buys the peanuts. Okay, so in between the interval, his father buys the peanuts, and then he loves to sit in the darkness and watch the movie. Okay, and eating and watching movie, it becomes very interesting for him. Okay, then afterwards we always stop to eat ice cream. So after finishing their movie, their film, so when they were going to the home, so they were stopped in the ice cream parlor for a ice cream, to eat ice cream. Everyone is in a good mood, and we all feel very lucky that we are such a happy family. So on that particular day, everybody, they are very happy, and then he was feel that, so we have such a good family. Okay, so this is the different opinions of different children here. Okay, so Radha says how she loved to climb the tree, and the Nasir says he wanted to become a seed collector, and Rohit says here that he wanted to, if he had a huge amount, so he just travel whole world. Okay, then the Sarabjit, he says about his anger. Okay, so what he feels anger, that the people are not believing him, so then he feels anger. And the next is Dolma. She says here she wanted to become a Prime Minister of India because she is solve the problems of the people, and she wanted to construct the hospitals, roads and the school, and she wanted to help for the scientists who are working continuously to cure the diseases, and for a space for the spaceship to go for Mars. Okay, So she had that kind of a dream. Then Peter. So now Peter says that he had a good family. Then so when they used to go for a movie, so they all feel happy together. Okay, the happiness is when the whole family they are happy. So then only so he gets a happy. Okay, so this is about the lesson of today, who I am. So now in the beginning, before I start the lesson, I have told you that write about yourself, what you like, what you dislike. So what is your hobby, what is your interest, what you wanted to become, everything you just write down in your notebook. Okay, notebook. So which is very important for you. You should preserve it. So whenever you just look at that, so you feel that you had some ambition in your life. Okay, so that thing, it makes you people to see that you have some ambition. So there you start working on it, and you are working on your interest. Okay, and your hobbies and the things which you like and which you doesn't like. Okay, so this is which you people not like. So you should have to write down in your notebook. Okay, so then the next here is, so you have some question answers here. So when you see so here after this lesson, here there are some of the questions are given. So what's that? Peter's favorite day. Answer the following questions which is not completed. So from the lesson you should answer the question here. Peter's favorite day of the week is Sunday because. So why Peter's favorite day it was the Sunday. Okay. Then Nasir wants to learn. So what Nasir wanted to learn? So with this reference of the lesson, you should have to write the answer. Dolma believes that she can make a good Prime Minister because. Then next is B, that is true or false against each of the following statement. Peter is an only child. It's a true or false. When Sarabjit gets angry, he shouts at people. It's true or false. Nasir lives in the city. Radha's mother enjoys doing things with her. Okay, so now here in this part second, you have some of the description about the multiple intelligence. Each one of us skilled or good at something, but do you know that different people are intelligent in different ways? Okay, so here what's given here in each column, visual intelligence. So visual, if a child which is visual intelligence, he had a good visual intelligence. So what are his activities, what are his likes, and if he become grown up, what he wants to become. Okay, so that has given here that you like to, you are good at, and you can become a. Okay, verbal intelligence, then mathematical intelligence, bodily intelligence, musical intelligence, interpersonal intelligence, excuse me, interpersonal intelligence. So go through with this intelligence and understand it detailedly and try to solve the questions which was given based on that. Okay, so working with the text here, filling the blanks to name the different kinds of intelligence, one has been done for you. When I enjoy listening to people and solving their problems, I use my interpersonal intelligence. Okay, when I enjoy dancing or physical activity, I use my dash intelligence. When I enjoy looking at maps and examining picture, I use my dash intelligence. When I enjoy working with the numbers and solving maths problems, I use my dash intelligence. When I enjoy telling a story or arguing, I use my dash intelligence. Then match the job on the left with its description on the right. So here the job has given and the designation also given here, means the person who is good at. So navigator. So what is the job of the navigator? Let's find out here. So his job is finds and monitors the route to get a place or the direction of travel. Okay, so this is the suitable answer for that first one. Then the next, architect. So what is the job of architect? So you should have to find out from the options. Then politician, engineer, computer programmer, athlete, disc jockey, composer, counselor, journalist. Okay, so these are the activities which was based on the columns which has given there. Okay, so this is about the lesson and its work. So understand this what called the descriptions which was given, and try to write the answers based on that. Okay, so this is about the today's class. So through this lesson, you people are understood about yourself, who you are. Okay, so who you are and what's your like, what you dislike, okay, and what you wanted to become. So that gives a personality. Okay, the man's personality, or it's a human being personality, and you people are a children, so that gives a child personality. Okay, so this is about the today's class. So the title of the lesson is Who I Am. So with this lesson you are understood about yourself, that who you are. Okay, so work on this, whatever the activities I told you and the practice work which has given here. So that one you do it. So we will meet you in the next class. Till then, all of you stay home, stay safe, keep learning. Thank you.